YouTube, what's happening? It is your guy Hitch. The summer is flying by. We only have about a month left, so I hope you guys are making the best of what is left. Now, Deion Sanders, aka Primetime, aka Neon Deion, aka Coach Prime, aka if you look good, you play good, and if you play good, they pay good, is my favorite athlete of all time. And earlier this year, Nike released his first signature sneaker, the Nike Air Diamond Turf ones in this Falcons colorway. And it's only right. His signature line is top 10 of all time for sure. But if you have a pair, you plan on getting a pair, my goal is to make sure you got them laced up the right way. Me personally, what I love about his signature sneakers, they all have straps on them across the midfoot. Now with the straps on your sneakers, it can sometimes make the lacing a little bit difficult, and we're gonna get that taken care of right now. So before you begin lacing your sneakers, you always just want to start with the laces completely taken out of the sneaker. Also, my foot is not in this Diamond Turf right now just because sometimes it can be hard for the laces to go into the first eyelets. So what we're going to do to start, take the lace tips on each end of your laces, and you're going to enter the first eyelet from the outside in on both sides of the sneaker. Once you have that done, you want to take those lace tips, put them together, make sure the laces are even and flat. Once that's completed, now I'll put my foot into the sneaker. And what we're going to do from here is we're going to go up to the 5th eyelet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll stop. Gummy biz and plantains, wreck ball, GG Brown, pop one, a rowdy at that goalpost, Justin got that chant going. So we've arrived at the 5th eyelet. A few things I want to call out. I typically give my laces what I call hang time because I'm never going to have these two sides touching. I like to wear my sneakers comfortable and loose. So once you have the hang time that you're looking for and the laces are flat, if you notice, one thing I've been doing the whole time I've been lacing is just making sure the laces are flat. You don't want to look dirty and dusty out here. Now we're going to skip the next eyelet. I typically like to skip an eyelet or two. We're going to skip the 6th one, go to the 7th one. Once you're here, again, just do one more readjusting of your laces depending on how you want your laces to look, how loose you may want them to be, or how tight you may want them to be. And that's really it. The thing I do want to call out, and you can kind of see it happening already, this strap, which I do not buckle. I do not do this. As you can see, it's just impossible. It's just too tight. Maybe if I were playing football or baseball, it may work, but I'm wearing my sneakers casually. I do not do this. I typically leave my strap without going through the loop and buckled to hang. The only thing is, with this particular strap on these Diamond Turfs, it can sometimes get flimsy. And now the strap is dragging on the ground. So what I will do sometimes while I'm wearing the sneaker, I'll unbuckle it, slide it through the loop, and leave it this way so that the sneaker can get, or the strap can get, some of its structure back. And then after wearing it this way for a little while, I'll put it back here, and as you can see, it's not as loose. The sneaker looks great like this. This is how I wear my Diamond Turf ones. And if you see me with them like this, it's because the strap has become flimsy and I don't want my strap just dangling. But if you notice, even wearing them like this, they still give you a comfortable and loose look to them. They don't look bad. I think they look good this way. But this is the way you want them to be. Now that we have the lacing tutorial for his first signature sneaker done, I do have his 3rd signature sneaker in the collection, the Nike DT Max 96. I will be doing a lacing tutorial for this as well. If you don't want to miss it, hit the bell notification so you're notified when that video drops. As far as lacing tutorials go, there's a whole playlist behind me that you can go and check out. And if there's a sneaker that you need a lacing tutorial for and it's not on that playlist, hit the comment section and I'll do my best to get the lacing tutorial completed. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys soon. I'm out.
As sharp as a blade, and if you don't watch out, you might need,
Terror the rock. Zeke Marley Vader Lord. Zeke Marley Vader Lord. Terror the rock. Terror the rock. Zeke Marley Vader Lord. Zeke Marley.